My story begins in Mianchanu, a small town in Pakistan. Life wasn't easy. The town was small, with narrow streets and simple houses. The people were hardworking and everyone knew each other. It was a close-knit community where everyone shared their joys and sorrows. We came from a humble background. Our family lived in a modest house with basic amenities. We didn't have much, but we had each other, and that was enough. My father was a construction worker. He worked long hours under the scorching sun to provide for us. His hands were rough from years of labor, but his heart was full of love for his family. Growing up, I loved to play cricket. It was the one thing that brought joy to my life. Every evening, I would gather with my friends in the dusty fields to play. I was fast, and I could throw the ball with great power. My friends would often marvel at my strength and speed. Little did I know, this talent would change my life. It was more than just a game, it was a glimpse into my future.
Arshad's natural ability to throw caught the eye of a local coach. The coach had an eye for talent and saw something special in Arshad. The coach saw potential in young Arshad and suggested he try javelin throw. He believed that Arshad's strength and speed could be harnessed in this new sport.
At first, Arshad was hesitant. The idea of trying something new was daunting. He didn't know much about the sport. Javelin throw was unfamiliar territory, and he was unsure if he could succeed. But he was willing to give it a try. With the encouragement of his coach, he decided to take the plunge. This decision marked the beginning of his extraordinary journey. It was the start of a path that would lead him to greatness, fueled by determination and hard work.
Arshad started training for javelin throw, dedicating countless hours to perfecting his technique and form. From the very beginning, it was clear that he was a natural. His talent shone through every practice session. His throws were powerful and went far, often leaving onlookers in awe. The coach was impressed by his raw potential and dedication. The coach knew Arshad had something special, a rare combination of strength, skill and determination that set him apart from others.
Arshad trained hard, pushing himself to the limits every day. He wanted to improve with each throw, each practice session. He dreamed of representing Pakistan on the international stage, envisioning himself holding the national flag high. He participated in local competitions, eager to test his skills against other athletes and gain valuable experience. Arshad quickly rose through the ranks, winning local events and earning applause from spectators who recognized his talent. His throws got better and better, each one more impressive than the last, showcasing his continuous improvement. He started winning medals, standing proudly on the podium, a testament to his hard work and dedication. People began to notice his talent, cheering for him and congratulating him on his achievements. Arshad Nadeem was becoming a name to remember, a rising star in the world of athletics, destined for greatness.
My hard work paid off. I started competing at the international level and making my country proud.
He participated in the South Asian Games, where he won gold and broke records.
Arshad Nadeem's victory at the South Asian Games was nothing short of spectacular. He went on to compete in the Asian Games and Commonwealth Games, winning medals there too.
Arshad Nadeem was now a recognized name in the world of javelin throw. Despite his success, Arshad remains grounded. He is a family man who values their support.
My father has always been a constant source of inspiration. He taught me the importance of hard work.
Arshad's success is a testament to his family's unwavering belief in him. Their support kept him going and pushed him to overcome challenges. Arshad Nadeem's achievements have not gone unnoticed. He has received numerous awards and recognition.
One of the most prestigious awards he received is the President's Pride of Performance Award.
Arshad is a source of inspiration for many young athletes in Pakistan.
My story is one of talent, hard work, and determination. I want to show that with passion and dedication, anything is possible.
Arshad Nadeem is a true role model.